Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Uh, today, on this Global Accessibility Awareness Day 2026, I would like to share my views and experience about a, a complex problem that is invisible but affects millions of people in our day to day life. So we often talk about accessibility. When it comes to the accessibility, we mostly talk about the websites and applications, but it does not end here. One of the biggest barriers still lives here with us and we face it in our daily life. That is the PDF. We are using it, but it's inaccessible. So, my today's topic is about how technology can help in WCAG 2.2 compliance. And in my presentation, I would like to explain and demonstrate a tool that is AI empowered, how it can transform the digital inaccessible documents to a inclusive digital experience. In my day job, I am working with an organization that that is associated with the WCAG compliance, audits, accessibility, inclusive activities, and such things. Not limited to this, but it is in this. So when we work on this, we often talk about the accessibility. And when the organizations are saying this, the websites get attention first, but the PDFs in accessibility remains the blind spot. Most of the public sector PDFs fails the basic guidelines that are provided for a PDF should be accessible. That is the WCAG guidelines. Why this happens? Because I think PDFs are a bit complex in structure. They require proper tags, proper images with all text. It includes some typical tables without headers, and that all these things makes the screen reader invisible text. These PDFs are not accessible at all. So it is becoming one of the biggest barrier in our day-to-day life. So to overcome this and to come up with these things, we are working currently and looking for some tools and this. And while working in my day to day life, I come up with several Indian organizations. So when we talk about the Indian government websites, there are several digital documents are available on the websites, including their schemes, circulars, recruitment forms, event details. Everything are available in the PDF format. So for a sighted viewer, these may looks perfectly fine, but when it comes to a screen reader user, it completely becomes the unreadable. So now the accessibility is not only a usability issue, it is becoming an issue of digital inclusiveness and equal access. One more thing what I found while doing testing of these documents, there is a language gap making these PDF inaccessible because most of the tools, screen reader tools and other things cannot read the bilingual PDFs or the languages, Hindi languages. eh, All these are read as a invisible graphics for these tools. So when I was searching for something proper, how can we eliminate this issue? I come across several globally available tools. Most of the tools performs remarkably good when it is about the English PDF. But when tested with some multilingual or Indian language PDFs, their performance significantly drops. So I was researching and finding and looking for some particular tool or AI method that how can we resolve this problem completely. And just finding the issues is not like it is not only limited because we need some solution for this. It is not sufficient to just find out the things, the issues in the PDF and remediation it manually, because it takes a lot of time and it takes a costing that is impossible for an organization to spend, and it is an ongoing process. So while searching, I found a tool that is AI empowered, and it is, I think, India's only tool that just not only identify the issues in the PDF, also provides a particular proper remediation platform where you can see a proper detailed report that what was the issue in your PDF and how it has remediated it. So this tool is giving us a power to bring accessibility in a large scale. We can scale up the things. We can make the PDFs more accessible to the our all kind of users, including the screen reader users, and that too at very low cost. So this tool, what I found, is different from the other tools available globally because is like it's an innovative tool. I think developed by the experts having years of experience in this field of accessibility. They know what is the root cause of inaccessible PDFs. It includes language aware OCR. It can correct unique Unicode mappings. It provides proper tagging to the PDFs, and it provides accurate language metadata to the PDFs. So when it comes to the multilingual PDFs, it reads it correctly, its pronunciations get proper, and it complies all the related WCAG standard guidelines that are associated for the PDF. So all these things I found in this particular tool that makes me understand that technology, if we use this kind of technologies, we can scale up the accessibility at faster rate. So I was comparing the manual process, how we were doing earlier, or many people are doing to make the PDF accessible. Like if we scan a document, we'll get a list of errors, and we need some trained specialist or accessibility trainers who can fix them these things manually by page, or it may they can do it manually, but it takes a lot of time and it requires a lot of money to spend. It can hit on your pockets because, and it's an ongoing process because PDFs are getting on the or different organizations, whether it's government, non-government, or public sectors, they are flooded with the PDFs day by day. So it becomes very difficult and an ongoing process. And the accessibility, we are working with a vision to include everything for everyone, doesn't get achieved. So in this case, we require a tool that can help us to scale this and speed up the process of getting this accessible. So I found this tool. It works like I need to upload a PDF that is inaccessible. The AI will detect all the problems in the issues in the PDF. It just mention all the issues. It just remediate it and provide me a downloadable file with a proper report. What was the issue in this? What is rectified? That too within 1 minute and at very low cost. So I found this a very good, effective tool for achieving our goal to make inclusive awareness about the PDF accessibility. So it is not, accessibility is not about just a one time audit process that you have achieved a compliance and you can just sit back. It's a activity that you have to perform on in your daily day-to-day life. For organizations, government organizations or other organizations, they are providing their schemes and everything in the PDF format. If their information is not accessible to all the users, it becomes very difficult because it is giving you a chance, you're losing a chance to reach the audience that are screen reader dependencies on the screen readers. So for a continuous uh, accessibility awareness and action, this tool can be said as an evidence based accessibility platform. And I believe accessibility is not about just the technology. You need to have accountability and like standards compliance should be achieved. You may think that why this tool is so having this, we can count on it or not. We can count it because it is an STQC empaneled certified tool that I found. And I think with the power of such kind of tools and automation tools, we can reach our goal of making internet for everyone an inclusive digital world very well. So I have found by working on this platform, on this tool, I found this PDF, this Access Sure can remediate different kinds of PDF because I come across with different kinds of PDF. Some are having just the OCR, some are the scanned images only uploaded, some are having multiple nested tables, or some are having English, Hindi, or regional scripts. So this tool has remediated more than 20,000 complex PDFs across the different organizations, including government, non-government, health sectors, everything. And best part is you can know the what the changes have been done with their proper reports. Again, something our technology is a good thing, is very powerful, but accessibility still requires human judgments, because some things are there that needs human intelligence. Like if a in a PDF it a image is provided, that image is decorative or it has meaning, something meaningful, that has to be judged by a human brain. Similarly, when the usability has to be checked with the screen readers whether it is announcing correct or not. So some sections has to be touched with the human hands, and I believe that with technology can accelerates the accessibility, and human power can ensures the inclusivity. So technology, along with human expertise, can make the accessibility scalable. And some people believe that whom the PDFs will be accessible PDFs will be beneficial. The answer is everyone. Whether you are a business, having a business, you are a content creator or a testing lab or a development team, whatever business you are in, if you provide your information, your details in the PDF form, and that if that is in accessible format, you are opening doors for the potential users, potential clients that are dependent on the screen readers, and that ultimately will increase your revenues. So it fits for all. And I believe that if we are working for a goal, that we are always spreading the awareness that we should bring accessibility in our routine, everything, then we should make our all the PDFs or all the documents that are promoting or providing details about your business or anything you are doing, that should be in an accessible format. So before I conclude, I would like to say, leave you with a thought that technology has given us an opportunity to scale up the accessibility at a faster rate that was not done earlier. So why not let's move beyond awareness? It's time for action. And if when we are providing the information that is accessible, we are empowering the people. So we should go like this to increase the awareness and to increase accessibility related to the documents also, so all kind of users can access these things. And that's it. Before I leave, I want to just show a demo of this with all your permissions, how this tool works. This is the thing, you need to do is put a PDF here and you will get a report. So as we are running out of time, I can show you what I have already done. I have uploaded a PDF, and within some seconds, it gave me a result. I can download the report. It comes with an HTML format and already remediated PDF. So this is the report what I got from my PDF. You can see it provides before and after comparison. Document structure was not proper, tagging was not done, title was not provided, all text were missing, heading hierarchy was not done properly. All these things have been corrected along with the WCAG compliance criteria. So I can understand as my work perspective that what was the issue and how it is corrected. We can see each and everything is provided here in this way. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.